Today we're doing wings.
Wings. My favorite. What flavor?
Teriyaki.
Teriyaki. Right on. Just make sure they're not these little skinny, meatless ones, you know? I'd like something a little bigger.
Really?
Those. Yes.
Like pterodactyl wings or something?
Pterodactyl wings.
Me, Terry.
Me bad? It's a good start for Foodshow.
You stupid and gross. No one wants to see man eat.
Man, eat. People want to see man eat. What we have here?
Pterodactyl wings.
Pterodactyl wings. These small for pterodactyl wing.
That's because it's squab. Woman only
Oh,
finds squab.
small squab. Ah, oh.
Terry wing.
Terry wing. Terry wing. Let me taste. See if it tastes like Terry wing. That good flavor. You know, it need bigger name. Teriyaki. A better name. Have longer shelf life, me think.
Sure.
Very good. Very, very good. How do you cook teriyaki wing?
Did you hunt, man? What did you gather?
I hunted for stalks, tasteless stalks, and orange root. I find in field gathering while women hunt.
Drink up, man.
Me choke. I'm tired.
That
I'm
is the plan to kill
teriyaki.
man.
Smart woman. Some meat burnt. What would woman cook on if not over open fire?
Woman cook on grill.
What grill?
I don't know.
I not know either. Not be invented yet. What we have here?
Fermented drink.
Fermented drink. What fermented?
Fermented yeast. You'd not want to know.
Me not want to know.
Oh.
Well, me taste anyway. It's Stone Age. We taste everything. Oh, that good. What woman called this?
Beer.
Beer.
From the bear. Came from the bear.
Oh, man, like beer. Men must put beer in many containers in a big place man call bar. Bar good. And around bar we build many things and put people on wheels that go everywhere. We industrialize and build around beer. Beer good.
Man, talk too much.
Oh, me not understand woman ever. Me no complain this time.
Dip in bird caca.
Oh, bird caca.
Jalapeno bird caca.
Bird caca go good with pterodactyl, teriyaki wing. Nice presentation for Stone Age. One day, when man make show where woman cook and man eat, what you think?
Perfect.
Subscribe, join, scroll on Cave Wall, and we see you next time.
Eating teriyaki wings.
I'm Not So Profuso.
All right, thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed today's episode,
As much as we did, we had fun, right?
yeah, we did. Subscribe, ring the subscription bell below.
Yep. Join us over on Facebook. We got a page over there, also on Instagram, and NotSoProFoodShow.com, where you can become part of Not So Pro Food Show Nation and receive a newsletter and all of that once a month. So that's just what we got going on right now. That's it.
Cheers.
Cheers.